Hello, nature enthusiasts. Today we venture into the fascinating world of plants. We'll uncover two powerful tools, SAP Analysis and BRIX Testing. These methods offer a window into plant health, guiding us towards optimal growth and productivity. Just like humans, plants thrive when their needs are met. SAP Analysis and BRIX Testing provide valuable insights into these needs. These tools empower growers to make informed decisions. These decisions lead to healthier plants and higher yields. Join me as we explore these fascinating techniques. Imagine being able to listen to a plant's inner workings. What if we could understand the silent language of plants, deciphering their needs and health status just by analyzing their internal fluids? This is where SAP Analysis comes into play. SAP Analysis allows us to do just that. By extracting and examining the sap, we can gain insights into the plant's overall health and nutritional status. This method is akin to a blood test in humans, providing a snapshot of the plant's internal condition. This technique analyzes the sap, the lifeblood of the plant. The sap carries essential nutrients and water throughout the plant, much like blood circulates in animals. By studying the sap, we can determine the levels of various nutrients and identify any imbalances. SAP Analysis measures the nutrients flowing within the plant. It provides detailed information about the presence of macro and micronutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. This data is crucial for understanding the plant's nutritional needs. It reveals what the plant is absorbing from the soil. By comparing the nutrient content in the sap with the nutrients available in the soil, we can determine how effectively the plant is taking up these nutrients. This helps in identifying any potential issues with nutrient uptake. This analysis helps us understand if the plant is getting the right balance of nutrients. Are there deficiencies? Are there excesses? SAP Analysis tells us. This information is invaluable. It allows us to make informed decisions about plant care and management. Growers can adjust their fertilization strategies based on the results. By knowing exactly what the plant needs, they can apply the right type and amount of fertilizer, ensuring optimal growth and productivity. This precision in fertilization not only enhances plant health, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. They can ensure the plant receives the nourishment it needs to thrive. Healthy plants are more resistant to diseases and pests, leading to higher yields and better quality produce. SAP Analysis is a powerful tool that bridges the gap between plant science and practical agriculture, helping us cultivate healthier, more productive crops. BRIX Testing offers another perspective on plant health. This simple yet powerful technique measures the sugar content in the plant sap. But what do sugars have to do with plant health? Sugars are the building blocks of energy. They are essential for plant growth, fruit production, and overall vitality. Higher BRIX levels generally indicate healthier, more vigorous plants. BRIX testing is quick and easy. It provides instant feedback on the plant's photosynthetic activity. This helps growers assess the effectiveness of their growing practices. Both BRIX and SAP offer valuable insights into plant health, but they provide different perspectives. Think of BRIX as a snapshot of the plant's current energy level. It reflects the plant's ability to convert sunlight into sugars. SAP Analysis, however, offers a more detailed look at the plant's nutritional status. While distinct, these methods complement each other. Using them together provides a more holistic understanding of plant health. Combining forces, integrating SAP and BRIX for optimal results. Imagine a doctor relying solely on temperature to diagnose a patient. It would be impossible to get a full understanding of the patient's health without considering other vital signs and tests. Similarly, in agriculture, relying on a single metric to assess plant health can be misleading and insufficient. Just like a doctor needs various tests for a complete picture, so do plants. By integrating multiple data points such as SAP and BRIX, farmers can obtain a holistic view of their crop's health. SAP Analysis provides insights into the nutrient content within the plant sap, while BRIX measures the sugar levels, indicating the plant's overall energy status. By combining SAP and BRIX data, growers gain a comprehensive understanding of plant health. This integration allows them to identify potential issues early and make informed decisions to optimize crop performance. For instance, if SAP Analysis reveals a deficiency in essential nutrients and BRIX levels are also low, it could indicate that the plants are struggling to convert nutrients into energy. Low BRIX levels combined with nutrient deficiencies in the SAP analysis, this scenario might suggest that the plants are not efficiently absorbing or utilizing the available nutrients. It could be a sign of poor soil health, inadequate fertilization, or other underlying issues that need to be addressed promptly. This might indicate a problem with nutrient uptake. By examining the roots and soil conditions, farmers can determine if there are any physical barriers or imbalances affecting nutrient absorption. Addressing these issues can significantly improve the plant's ability to take up and utilize nutrients effectively. Adjusting the soil pH or providing specific nutrients could be the solution. For example, if the soil pH is too acidic or alkaline, it can hinder nutrient availability. By correcting the pH levels, farmers can create a more favorable environment for nutrient uptake. Additionally, targeted fertilization can supply the necessary nutrients to address specific deficiencies identified through SAP and BRIX analysis. The combined approach allows for targeted interventions. This means that farmers can apply precise amounts of water, nutrients, and other inputs exactly where and when they are needed. Such precision agriculture practices not only enhance crop health and yield, but also minimize resource wastage and environmental impact. This leads to healthier plants, improved yields, and reduced environmental impact. By integrating SAP and BRIX data, farmers can achieve optimal results, ensuring that their crops are not only productive but also sustainable. The synergy of these two powerful tools empowers growers to make data-driven decisions that benefit both their farms and the environment. Timing is key when to test SAP and BRIX. Just like regular health checkups are crucial for humans, so are regular SAP and BRIX tests for plants. But when is the best time? The frequency depends on the crop and its growth stage. Generally, testing every 7 to 14 days during critical growth periods is recommended. This allows growers to monitor plant health closely and make timely adjustments. For example, monitoring BRIX levels during fruit development can help determine the optimal harvest time for maximum sweetness and flavor. Real-world results success stories with SAP and BRIX. In this section, we delve into the tangible benefits that farmers and agriculturalists are experiencing by incorporating SAP and BRIX testing into their practices. These methods are not just theoretical concepts, but have been proven to yield significant improvements in various real-world scenarios. The benefits of SAP and BRIX testing aren't just theoretical. They translate into healthier, more robust plants and higher quality produce. By measuring the sap and sugar content in plants, farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to optimized growth conditions. Farmers around the world are achieving remarkable results by integrating these techniques. From small family-owned farms to large commercial operations, the impact of SAP and BRIX testing is evident. These methods are helping farmers to not only increase their yields, but also improve the quality of their crops, which in turn boosts their market value and profitability. Take, for instance, a strawberry farm in California. This farm, which had been struggling with inconsistent yields and varying fruit quality, decided to implement SAP and BRIX testing. The results were nothing short of impressive. By implementing SAP and BRIX testing, they increased their yield by 20% and improved the fruit's sweetness and size. The strawberries not only tasted better but also had a longer shelf life, which opened up new market opportunities for the farm. In another example, a vineyard in France used these techniques to optimize irrigation and fertilization, leading to healthier vines and superior wine quality. The vineyard was able to fine-tune its water and nutrient supply based on the precise needs of the grapevines, resulting in a more consistent and higher quality harvest. These success stories highlight the transformative potential of data-driven plant care. By leveraging the insights gained from SAP and BRIX testing, farmers can make more informed decisions that lead to better crop health, higher yields, and improved product quality. This not only benefits the farmers themselves, but also contributes to a more sustainable and efficient agricultural industry overall. The future of farming embracing data-driven decisions. As technology advances, so too do the tools available to farmers. SAP and BRIX testing, coupled with digital platforms and data analysis, are paving the way for a new era of precision agriculture. Imagine a future where sensors continuously monitor plant health, providing real-time feedback. Imagine AI-powered systems analyzing data and recommending tailored interventions. This is the future that SAP and BRIX testing are helping to create. By embracing these technologies, we can optimize plant health, increase food production, and minimize our environmental impact. Empowering growers with SAP and BRIX. The journey towards healthier plants and a more sustainable future starts with knowledge and action. I urge you to explore the world of SAP and BRIX testing. Learn about these techniques, connect with experts, and experiment on your own crops. By empowering ourselves with knowledge, we can cultivate a greener and more bountiful tomorrow. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.